Battery life. A 3,130 mAh cell that's good for a full HD phone. Strong extreme power saving mode for emergencies. Battery-wise there's a 3,130 mAh unit to keep the phone running, and an extreme power saver mode for real battery emergencies. We put the Vivo 6 through our battery test, where we play a 90-minute video at full brightness with connectivity options on, and the phone had 81% battery at the end. That's not an awful score, but it's not great either. It means the Vivo 6 lost 19% of its charge, much like the Honor 5X did in this test. The Moto G4 Plus lost less battery at 17%, while the Wily Fox Swift 2 Plus lost a lot more at 24% of its charge. In terms of daily use we found the Vivo 6 to be okay and usually make it to the end of an intense day with about 10% of its battery left over. If you're going to be doing a lot with your handset, you may want a phone with a slightly longer life, and it's a big shame Blu didn't see fit to include fast charging here to ensure you're always charged up. The Vivo 6 is charged up via USB-C, which is a welcome addition to the phone and makes it easy to plug in the cable when it comes to that time of day. There is a fast charging feature on the Vivo 6, but it's not notably fast compared to other phones. Your phone will be fully charged from 0% in about 90 minutes though, so you can't really complain with that speed.